Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos, viewers are share beautiful but interrupts ideas. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Friends button or buttons may look small, but they can become beautiful decoration with a little creative. Create colorful butterfly by arranging button in the shape of petal. Place them in a handmade vase for a lovely display. Decorate photo frame with button of different size and color. These simple ideas make every picture look more special. Make beautiful creating card by using button to create flower, balloon, heart, cute animals. Handmade cards are perfect for birthday and holidays and birthday. My next idea is viewers. Turn plain jar box or flower pot into unique home decor by colorful pattern on surface. Create wall by arranging button into the shape of a tree, butterfly, bird, heart. Later, create a design and hang it on the wall. And friends, so my next idea is viewers. Make your bookmark using written paper and paper tube. They are easy to make and perfect for book lovers. Decorate cushions, bag, or fabric items with colorful buttons to give them a fresh, creative look. So, viewers, next one is friends. I hope you enjoy our videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for the more latest updates. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.